Welcome to Pharmalytics, where we're dedicated to sharing knowledge and ensuring quality in the pharmaceutical industry. Today we're diving into the 10 essential principles of good manufacturing practice, or GMP. Whether you're a pharma professional or a student, these golden rules are fundamental to your success. So let's get started. Golden Rule 1. Get the facility design right from the start. Imagine a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant. It needs separate areas for raw material storage, formulation, and packaging. Plus, proper air filtration systems to prevent contamination and cross-contamination. Golden Rule 2. Validate your processes. Before full-scale production, process validation is crucial. For example, when manufacturing a new drug, you need to test for consistency, quality, and safety under different conditions to meet regulatory requirements. Golden Rule 3. Write good procedures and follow them. Develop detailed standard operating procedures or SOPs for tasks like cleaning and sterilizing equipment. Following these ensures compliance with GMP. Golden Rule 4. Identify who does what. Assign specific responsibilities for quality control, production, and packaging. Make sure every employee understands their role in maintaining regulatory compliance. Golden Rule 5. Keep good records. Detailed batch records are a must. Document everything from raw material sources to production processes and final product testing. This is vital for compliance with standards like FDA 21 CFR Part 11. Golden Rule 6. Train and develop staff. Regular training on GMP safety protocols and new technologies is essential. Whether it's aseptic processing or equipment handling, well-trained staff meet regulatory requirements and handle products effectively. Golden Rule 7. Practice good hygiene. In production facilities, staff must wear appropriate PPE, regularly wash hands, and follow strict hygiene protocols. This prevents product contamination. Golden Rule 8. Maintain facilities and equipment. Routine preventive maintenance on critical equipment like tablet presses and filling machines is key. This prevents malfunctions and ensures compliance with GMP standards. Golden Rule 9. Build quality into the whole product lifecycle. From initial formulation and testing, to clinical trials and final commercialization, quality control should be implemented at each stage of drug development. Golden Rule 10. Perform regular audits. Internal GMP audits help ensure adherence to regulatory guidelines. They also identify areas for improvement, maintaining compliance, and ensuring product safety. These golden rules are the backbone of pharmaceutical manufacturing and compliance. Follow them, and you'll be well on your way to ensuring quality and success in your pharma journey. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content from Pharmalytics. See you next time.